This episode of Huntin' with Hadaway is brought to you in part by Tacticam and by Jeb's Choke Tubes.
Too far right now. If one of them get close enough, I'll tell you which one. You just need to be still. Be still. One of them red-headed jakes circling in front of us. I may let her shoot one. Let's wait and see if the gobblers will come up there and try to be mean. I think. They see it, but y'all got to be real still or they're gonna spot us. I think that's why they started running, but they stopped. Nah. Don't move. Be still. Quit moving. Guys, there's a turkey coming. Be still. Hang on. You got him on camera. Yeah, he's supposed to look up. Be still, son. Quit moving. Fawn, start easing your gun up to your shoulder real slow. Real slow. Stop. Okay, move. Real slow. Real slow. Stop. Sit still. Everybody be real still. Ain't about close enough to shoot there, but ain't no way we could.
You're drumming.
Yeah. Fawn, are you where you can click your gun on safety? Huh? Click it on safety. Slowly. He's plenty close enough. He gets lined up by our barrel. I'm gonna get her to ease her gun up and shoot.
I got it.
What I tell you to, Fawn, in one steady motion, you're going to start easing your gun up, get it to your shoulder, and shoot. You know where to aim. One steady motion. Got him! Yeah!
Got him,
Got
Fawn.
him! Got him out! Go to him, put your foot on his neck. Go! Go, put his... I'm choking on my mouth off. Go get him! Go get him! Go get him! Put your foot on his neck. Hammered him, son. Hammered him.
Oh, you better go help her.
Hey, go beat him up. Little funny.
Proud of you. That was absolutely beautiful. Bodine, son. Bodine. Get right here. We're gonna talk to the camera a minute. Tell everybody about it. Man, does it get any better than that? Me and Chris found these turkeys last weekend. Found this big group on us. Somebody just boomed one. Somebody else having some luck this morning too. But we found this group last weekend, and we come in here with hopes of both these kids just doubling up on jakes. All we seen was jakes when we found them. There's about 6 jakes. We said, well, we'll let them double up on the jakes, hopefully, just to get them their first bird. And we come in here yesterday morning, turkeys all over us, all around us. Jakes come up, but with 2 longbeards in the back, man, we just couldn't shoot one of them. We waited and passed on them, and come back yesterday afternoon, had them out 75 yards from us. They just wouldn't close the distance. So this morning we brought old Bodine in. That turkey right there is the first gobbler I ever killed the right way, being called up and shooting it. And my pawpaw called that turkey up for me, and it's old. I mean, I was 9 years old. I'm 33 now, so do the math. It was a long time ago when I killed that turkey, and my wife's been complaining about it, so I just took it off last night and said, we'll take Bodine in the morning for a decoy. Since we got a big group of turkeys out here that you can't call up, we're going to decoy the crap out of them and make them think we got our own little flock. And
We threw everything we had at them.
everything we had. And I know Pawpaw's in heaven smiling down knowing his great-granddaughter killed her first turkey with a gobbler I killed, decoying it up. I get a little choked up thinking about it, but I got a little emotional this morning when she shot it. Turkey hunting is something that's rooted deep down. When you learn it and you do it for years and years and you love it, and there's nothing else like it. And I'd like to thank Chris. Chris actually got us permission to this piece of property.
It's my James or Jesse.
Yep, James. And,
They let us come over here and hunt, and do what we want to.
And made for a good morning. A morning I'll never forget. And we're gonna try to go get Case on one real quick. We ain't ruling out little Case here. We can get one close enough, he'll boom him, son. He's ready, locked and loaded. But he come up on our left, and it just happened that way. And if it would come up on the right, he would have been the shooter this morning. We was hoping to get a big group of jakes come in here and try to jump on the decoys, but that didn't happen. So
it's amazing how, I don't know how we got a 5-year-old and an 8-year-old in here to get in here and hide, and had a big old gobbler come in
and,
20 yards from them.
we
Never be seen.
A lot of people do this out of a pop-up blind. I don't blame them at all, and we could have done it too, but I kind of wanted to do it the old-fashioned way and see if we could get one the old-fashioned way of sitting down inside a tree and calling one up. And We actually did do a little calling on this one. Decoys helped us out more than anything, giving him a visual to come to. And just a good morning. I'm proud of my girl. We'll see y'all on the next one.